Inside the eyeball, there is a clear, jelly-like substance that allows light to pass through it and onto the receptive cells at the back of the eyeball. Now, the main fluid is called aqueous humour. The aqueous means it's water-like, and the humour means, in biological terms, it's a bodily fluid. So the fluid in the eyeball is a water-like fluid. Now, in order to keep the fluid in the eye as clear as possible, blood is prevented from entering into the aqueous humour. However, there are other things present in the fluid other than just water in the eye. Now, as you get older, these substances in the fluid can impair the transparency, resulting in minor obstructions to vision, which are commonly known as floaters. So they generally appear to be a small, string-like object which floats across the field of vision. So what are floaters? Are they a problem? And what can you actually do about them? Well, the liquid in the eye is essentially maintaining the actual shape of the eye, which in turn is required for you able to focus on any object. Along with water and a few other trace chemicals, the aqueous humour also contains small amounts of collagen, which is a structural protein found all over your body, especially in your bones and joints. However, it also plays a major role in the healing of wounds. When our eyes are young, the collagen is actually fairly evenly distributed around the aqueous humour. But as you age, the fluid changes and the collagen tends to lump together to form strings of collagen. These are the floaters which block some of the light from reaching the retina actually indirectly, and so can be viewed as distortions in your vision. Since these are real physical objects, not some form of ghost images that your mind is creating, as you move your eyes, so the floaters also appear to move. In addition, since your brain normally uses a composite view of both eyes to form the image of the world around you, when your eyes are focused on a bright object with very little detail, like say a blank sheet of paper or a wall painted white, floaters may become more noticeable. In general, floaters are not a major issue with eyesight, just an occasional minor annoyance. But a sudden increase in the number or density of floaters may be a cause for concern. You should seek the opinion of a medical professional. Now, the fluid in the eyes is constantly being removed and topped up, so the positions and density of floaters may fluctuate over time slightly. Since floaters are just part of the natural aging process, there isn't normally any reason to do anything about them. However, if the obstructions in the eye fluid become a serious issue, doctors can carry out a vitrectomy, which is basically like an oil change for your eyes, where the aging fluid in the eye is drained off and replaced with a fresh new supply. Since the floaters were physically present in the old fluid, when new fluid is in place, the floaters and any other debris in the fluid should also be gone.